More fun and frolic with Izzy the Isetta.
Alright, so Izzy's been leaking fuel again. This is just from sitting out here out front. But so we were looking, Wick was out here with me a little bit ago, and the float itself was up too high to the point where fuel was, I'll show you on the old carb, up above this hole right here, and it was coming out the vent, making a mess, which is of course the vent for the idle mixture. And obviously fuel shouldn't be coming out of there. So Wick and I tested to see if the little electronic solenoid was stuck open, but it's not. We undid the fuel line and it was good to go. Checked all that. So we pulled the top off and Wick and I saw there's lots of fuel. So this is the float that came out of there. This is the float out of the old carb. And this is an extra float Wick has. We're gonna try this guy. We already cleaned out the seat down here in the bottom. As they're tapered, that's how they go. Basically, when you stick your float in, the float comes through the top. The pin here comes through the bottom here, and it locks in. So, okay, so I slid the new float in. See how it locks in with the tab right there, detent. And the pin comes through the bottom here. That's essentially, that's your needle and seat. I'll show you on this one. There's your seat, your float. Let's see, it has a little notchy notch. Locked in, baby. Alright, little Miss Izbiz carb is back attached. We're going to turn the key so this electric solenoid for the fuel shutoff comes on. We're going to see if it stops flowing or if it floods out again. We're going to leave the lid off, obviously, just to see. Let's see, your lid goes right here. Like so. I'm going to take that off, watch the fuel level, and we'll go from there. Alright, we got Miss Izzy up and running. Nothing fresh leaking out. The real trick's going to be after we turn her off, of course.